My dear friends, I'm your host Simran, and today I bring to you a very, very renowned nutritionist, and he's the co-founder of Think You brand. He is really working a lot for the society, and we wanted to bring him here on the sets of Newsmakers. Please allow me to welcome Mr. Himanshu Roy on the sets of Newsmakers. Hi, sir. A very warm welcome to you.
Thanks a lot, Simran. Thanks a lot.
So I've been watching that you've been working diligently for the society. You've also reformed a lot of people. Please tell us about your journey from where you started till now.
Uh, Thanks a lot for asking this question. Uh, it's a very good question, actually. During my childhood, I was obese, and my friends used to tease me, and it was very hard. So I started learning about nutrition, and after learning and studying nutrition, I started losing my weight. So this inspired me. And after some time, I thought, let's work in the field of nutrition. After some time, I got degree of nutrition. I'm MS in nutritional sciences. So after getting degree, I started working in this domain, and it has been around 15 years. I have transformed myself, and I transformed multiple people. And after some time, I founded my brand, Thank You, and just it is going on and going on.
Superb. So that your obesity is the thing that inspired you to come and become a nutritionist, and
Yes.
you learned, and you're here 15 years down the line, and you're here with your brand called Think You.
Yes.
This is a very unique name, Think You.
Yes.
Now, this is something which really puts me to thinking that, think about yourself.
Yes.
You must have had this kind of a psychology while you naming this brand. But I really want to know how you started. Like, what is so unique about your brand, Think You? Please tell us about it.
Yeah, it's a very good question. See, the basic thing about brand Thank You is we offer scientific diet solution. We always follow guidelines given by Indian Council of Medical Research, National Institute of Nutrition. We always work with science towards the scientific diet solution. So with the scientific diet solution, we provide different kind of diet solutions. Like we give diet therapy for obesity, weight gain, pregnancy, hypothyroidism, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and different kind of other nutrition related disorders with the help of scientific, sound, and delicious diet therapy.
Wow.
Yes.
This sounds really great because every time we hear that, you have to start following some kind of a diet, you have to like starve or maybe thinking what to eat, what not, and but the kind of therapies or maybe the way you are doing it. So please tell us a little more of it. That what kind of diet that you offer?
As I earlier mentioned that we always work with science. We always follow guidelines given by Indian Council of Medical Research. We always provide balanced diet solution, right? No fancy diet. So this is a basic thing, and this is key of our success as well. So we always ask people, go towards the basics, eat your proper meal, don't skip your meal, drink 12 to 15 glasses of water every day, go for 30 to 45 minutes of walk every day, right? Have 1 to 2 bananas every day. Yeah, it's
So it's all basic.
yeah, these are the basics, and
Yeah.
go for some fistful of some dry fruits as well, right? So in your kitchen, you'll find everything. There will be different kind of spices as well,
Correct.
like black pepper, right?
Yes.
This is a magical herb. So if someone is having these kind of things on regular basis with your diet, definitely you can transform yourself,
Yes,
right?
of course. That
Yes.
sounds really great. We have everything in our kitchen, and that's what we've told. And Mr. Himanshu Rai is giving us such kind of an therapy or probably nutrition where we have everything right in the kitchen. So it's quite easier to lose weight. But when it comes to nutrition, we know that a lot of us, we are having this kind of sedentary lifestyle. I majorly seen this lifestyle with kids.
Yes.
They're not leading a very good lifestyle these days after the COVID thing happened and stuff. No, please tell us, like in every day. This could be an advice to all those who are watching you right now as to how we should take care of our health. what is the best way of, having this everyday regime to follow, so that, that has to come from a dietitian like you as a nutritionist, that how to lead your life so that you stay healthy.
See, these are the basics basically. A majority of the people, they know about that. But the some of the key factors are, if you want to be healthy, fit and fine, uh, drink water,
Wow.
right? Most of the females, they don't drink proper amount of water. So for sedentary lifestyle is concerned, I mean, you should go for a walk every day. If you can hit 8,000 steps to 10,000 steps every day, that could be enough, right? If someone is having a meal at every 2 to 3 hours of interval, not I'm saying that you have to eat big meals, just small and nutritious meal you can have, right? These are going to help you. Apart from that, if you can have bananas or coconut water on regular basis, these could be really helpful. You can have some little bit of dry fruits as well on regular basis. These are rich source of omega fatty acids. These are going to help a lot, right? And if possible, please try to avoid outside meals, right? So these are the basic things, and majority of the people, they know about that, but most of the problem is they don't practice, right? And yes, if it is not possible, you can talk to your dietitian, right? Any certified dietitian, they're going to help you in this regard.
Superb, superb. Very simply, that he's told that how to lead a very healthy lifestyle, eat the good things, do not eat outside food. We all know that. But somehow we falter here and we just end up eating all the crap. But thank you so much for giving us such a wonderful advice. And thank you so much for being here.